So, Richard, I have a question that comes from some of the tweets that you've been posting recently where you talk about feeling your finger. And what on earth does that mean? And how does it relate to quantum touch and life force energy?
When we are helping people to experience the life force energy in their body, I like to start small. And since people put their attention in their hands all the time, they're always picking up things and doing things, we have a lot of awareness in our hands and fingers. So a simple little exercise is to have somebody hold up a finger. Can you feel your finger? Sounds like a nursery school thing, but it's a serious question because can you put more awareness in your finger? Can you breathe deeply and imagine you're bringing your awareness into your finger? Can you feel the skin on your finger? Can you feel your fingernail as it attaches to the back of your finger? Can you feel the blood pulsing through your finger? Does it have any tingling, vibration, pulsing, heat, cool? Can you bring any more sensation? Well, that's how we do quantum touch. We work with waves of sensation that we move with intention and attention. We move the intention and attention through our body in particular kinds of waves and patterns, and we link them with breathing patterns. And that's what quantum touch is based on. And of course, we add our intent and our love on top of that. But people do that all the time, but they don't get the results. So the way we get results is starting with just a finger, but then we're getting our whole body involved. This is just like a warm-up exercise to say, can you even do it? And once you've done it, now you're ready to go and you can make it work.
That's great. I love the feel your finger exercise. It's a fun exercise that gets people into thinking about the body awareness and energy and what we can do with it. So thank you so much. That's wonderful.